Wait, before you scroll past this, what if I told you the sun is already dying and scientists have a terrifying timeline for exactly when Earth becomes uninhabitable? Not millions of years from now, sooner than your comfortable mind wants to accept. Here's what nobody talks about at dinner tables. The sun is 4.6 billion years old. It has roughly 5 billion years left as a stable star. But here's where it gets uncomfortable. Earth won't wait that long. In approximately 1 billion years, the sun's luminosity will increase by 10%, enough to trigger a runaway greenhouse effect that boils our oceans completely dry. 1 billion years sounds far. But complex life took 3.5 billion years just to reach this conversation you're having right now. So what happens to humanity? Scientists at NASA and Oxford's Future of Humanity Institute have proposed something extraordinary. Humanity's only logical survival strategy is becoming a multi-planetary species. Not optional, non-negotiable. Mars colonization discussions aren't science fiction anymore. They're emergency planning. Elon Musk's SpaceX has a documented target of reaching Mars by the late 2020s. NASA's Artemis program is rebuilding lunar presence as a stepping stone. These aren't dreams. These are contingency plans for a species staring at an expiration date. But here's where controversy enters the room. Some scientists argue humanity will never reach interstellar capability. Not because of technology, because of ourselves. War, resource depletion, and political fragmentation remain our greatest extinction threats. Not the sun. Stephen Hawking publicly stated before his death in 2018 that humanity must leave Earth within 200 years or face extinction from self-inflicted causes, long before the sun becomes a red giant. That should stop you cold. The sun's death sequence is actually documented. After its stable phase, it expands into a red giant, engulfing Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth itself. Then it collapses into a white dwarf, a dense, cooling stellar corpse roughly the size of Earth, radiating leftover heat for billions of additional years. The universe doesn't mourn. It simply continues. Here's the staggering part that astrophysicists genuinely debate. If any civilization survives long enough, could they migrate to orbit a white dwarf star and extract energy from its residual heat? Theoretical physics says possibly yes. The Dyson sphere concept, first proposed by Freeman Dyson in 1960, suggests an advanced civilization could build a megastructure harvesting an entire star's energy output. We're nowhere near that capability, but the math doesn't forbid it. Humanity's future isn't written in stone. It's written in choices we make in the next 100 years. Follow this page because we're just getting started on conversations your textbooks never had the courage to begin. Now tell me something. If you knew humanity had a confirmed deadline, would that change how you live your life today? Drop your answer below.